I finished for hands to body, and now we will make the cloth, Muslim cloth. I use white color. The first row make 37 chains. Row 2 make single crochet 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Then make chain 1, turn, and then make single crochet 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Chain 1, turn your work, then make single crochet again 8 times. 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Chain 1, turn your work, make single crochet 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Chain 1, turn your work, then make single crochet 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Cut yarn. Okay, next make slip knot and we'll make again the second stitch. Make slip stitch the first, then make single crochet in the same stitch 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Chain 1, turn your work 1 2 3 4 5 6, 7, 8. Chain 1, turn your work, make single crochet 8 times again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Chain 1, turn your work, make single crochet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Once again, turn your work, make single crochet 8 times. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cut yarn. Make slip knot again, and then we will skip 4 stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4. So in here. Make slip stitch the first, and then make single crochet. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 1, 2, 3, 4. Once again, 12. Chain 1, turn your work, then make single crochet 12 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Chain 1, turn your work. Replay again 3 times. Again 3 times around. Okay, we will have like this, and make slip knot again. We will start in here. Slip stitch. Make single crochet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then make 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make single crochet again. We skip 4, remember. Make single crochet again 12 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then make single crochet again in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Chain 1, turn your work. Then make single crochet 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then make single crochet in chains. Before we make 4 chains, then we will make 4 single crochet in chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. And make single crochet 12 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then make single crochet in chains. 4 single crochet 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then make single crochet 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We will have 36 single crochet for total. And make chain 1, turn your work, make single crochet 26. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. Make chain 1 turn your work. Replay again until row 29. Make single crochet 36. Chain 1 turn your work. Remember until row 29. Okay, I finish. And then next make chain 1, and then we will make single crochet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. Crochet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Make single crochet in chains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then make single crochet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Make single crochet in chains 1, 2, 3, 4, 'then single crochet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Then make single crochet until the last time. Okay, then we will make a single crochet 36 in the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. Make slip stitch and then cut the yarn. Make slip knot. Slip stitch in here. Make single crochet in the first stitch. Single crochet again, then make decrease, single crochet, decrease, decrease 2 times, 1, 2, make single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then make decrease, 1, 2, 3, decrease, 1, 2, 3, then make single crochet 2 times, next stitch decrease, single crochet, decrease again, then single crochet, slip stitch in here, cut the yarn. Hem for cloth, make slip knot the first and make single crochet. The first we will make a slip stitch, then make single crochet 21 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Slip stitch. Row 2, make single crochet in the first stitch. Next stitch, decrease. Single crochet, decrease. Follow this pattern until the end, and we will have 14 single crochet for total. Row 3 to row 16. Make single crochet or 3 stitches. Follow this pattern until the end, and we will have 14 single crochet for total. Okay friend, I finished for my cloth. Then wear to doll and sew the cloth front, back. Take the front loop and another back loop. Then 5 stitches, we sew all front and back loop, bottom, three, 4, and 5. Finish for sew the cloth. We will make a cloth 2. The first row, make 41 chains and then make single crochet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then chain 2, turn your work, make double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Chain 2, turn your work and make double crochet again until the last stitch. Chain 2, turn your work and make double crochet again, 9 double crochet. Remember, make double crochet 2 round again. Finish and cut yarn. Next, make slip knot. We will make the left side. Make single crochet 9 times. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Chain 2, turn your work, make double crochet, 9 double crochet. Remember, replay 3 times again. Okay, next, skip 4 for right side, skip 4 for left side. Make slip knot. One, 2, 3, 4. Make single crochet 14 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 11, 12, 13, 14. We will have 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. Chain 2, and then make double crochet 3 times around. Double crochet 3 around again. until the last stitch. Make 2 chains, turn your work, then make double crochet. Okay, finish, and we will continue again. Make slip knot and make single crochet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, chain, 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4. Make single crochet 14 times. 1, 2, 3. Continue until 14, until the last stitch. Then make 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, make single crochet 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Chain 2. Turn your work, then make double crochet 9 times, 14 times, 4 times, 4 times, and 9 times. The total 40 double crochet. And replay again. Chain 2, turn your work, then double crochet 40 double crochet, the total. Replay 3 round again. Finish 9 round. Then cut yarn. Make slip knot. Make slip stitch. Then make single crochet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Single crochet 2 times, 2, decrease, single crochet, decrease, then decrease again, single crochet in chains, 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, single crochet, decrease again, single crochet, single crochet, decrease, single crochet, decrease, single crochet, decrease, single crochet, then make single crochet in chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, and single crochet, decrease, single crochet, decrease, decrease again, the last stitch, single crochet, then make single crochet in here, 22 single crochet again. For hands, make hands, the first row, make 25 single crochet. Remember, for the first row, 25 single crochet, make 2 chains, and then a row 2, make double crochet, 25 double crochet.